Hello and welcome back to the channel. We have my buddy Jax from Bumper from his Excelsior here to get some repair done. He did a little number on the bottom here, and we're going to fix it up for him. And we're also going to be shaving his parking pole area over on the technically passenger side. So I have a video of this. I did the full kit 2 years ago, I think, that I'm going to get up on the channel. We sectioned his whole front bumper. We cut like 2 inches off of it so he could fit it and air it out right on the ground. And we did a bunch of work to his whole kit about 2 years ago now. But it's back today because we gotta fix this because he's selling this whole kit. So this is for a pre-facelift Excelsior and LS400. So if this comes out before he gets it up for sale, then you can jump on this deal. This is a super cool looking kit. But for right now, we got to make sure this thing's nice and good to go for the customer. So we're going to repair that lower section, sand the whole bottom of the lip, and then we're going to shave the parking pole area and make it completely flat, trying to keep as much of the paint intact as possible so whoever buys it can bring this to a paint shop and they can feather the paint in the repaired area. So let's get this going. Typically I would belt sand before doing anything, but Jack already did a good amount of prep work for me. I'm going to look it over, see if I need to do anything else, but we should be able to just start glassing. I'll make sure that's the case, but I'm going to look it over and then see what we need to do. not do a very good job at the remainder video of this bumper repair. I was recording the fiberglass process and kind of just buckled down to get it done, which it's done now. So we're gonna bring it to Jack. We're gonna do a little delivery for him and see what he's got going on, but I'll see you there. All right, headed home after dropping off the bumper. I believe that thing's sold. I think someone's coming from like Utah to buy his whole kit. I'm gonna spend some time to get his video up of, I think it was 2024. I did the work on his kit of sectioning it and doing a whole bunch of work. So I will get that footage together and some videos up on that. And so that LS460 is a Hyper Zero complete kit, so K-Brec. That's what my front bumper is matched with on my Y34. And then the thing has aim gang wheels, and it's a super cool looking car. It's a good looking build. And then the F50, the high radius F50 that I somewhat showed you, Jack picked up and is restoring, and I actually have the fenders of that car in my car right now because we're gonna help Jack out. That I'll show you guys. We'll get to that when we get to that. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Just a small repair for Jack on this, and just something super quick, fast paced. But yeah, fiberglass stuff continues. Thank you guys. I will see you next time.